Go away! I bet you thing gets too close to the fucking ball.
Holy shit, they get kind of close.
Get away from me!
What the fuck? Look at Ethan! That bitch took my freezy. Oh, you whacked it. Look, they're fighting over it.
I want one.
He hates one.
I feel safe now.
Here. I haven't been so close to one of these in my freaking life.
We're gonna come back. You guys, I don't feel safe. Oh wow, you wouldn't.
Nice bastard. Fuck you.
I want to hit him. Here. Hello? I'm at the basketball court at McKeel's school. No, we waited for a whole hour and they didn't come yet. So we just left. Give me this piece of rock. Huh?
Just fight over the bag.
No, I already did. I called them 50 times. They won't answer. Okay, bye. I'll be like Owen.
What does that?
You guys hear my gay ring? Get up! You guys heard my gay ass ring coming? You chucked it at me. Here, Makil, I want to chuck it.
Fuck you! I want to do it.
Wait till I get on the ground. You're still crackers all over the freaking ground. Eee! I feel like chucking the rock at it. Not yet. When they come on, where are they?
Hold the camera. Don't forget. Wait till I get.